Welcome to the exciting realm of crafting with scrap wood, where creativity meets sustainability and innovation knows no bounds. In this vibrant space, you'll discover how to transform discarded pieces of wood into stunning, functional art that not only enhances your living environment, but also aligns with eco-friendly practices. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a curious beginner, this journey invites you to explore the limitless possibilities that scrap wood offers. Each piece has its own unique story, waiting for you to breathe new life into it through your artistic vision. As you embark on this creative adventure, you'll find that the process of repurposing materials can be both fulfilling and profitable, allowing you to express your individuality while contributing positively to the environment. Crafting from scrap wood is not just about creating beautiful items. It's also about embracing a lifestyle that values resourcefulness and sustainability. In a world increasingly focused on reducing waste, your ability to turn something that might otherwise be discarded into a work of art serves as a powerful statement about the importance of mindful consumption. As you delve deeper into this craft, you'll learn various techniques, tools, and design principles that will enhance your skills and inspire you to think outside the box. From rustic home decor to functional furniture pieces, the potential for creativity is boundless. Join us on this journey to discover how you can transform scrap wood into extraordinary crafts that reflect your personal style while promoting a sustainable future. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of crafting with scrap wood, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more creative inspiration and tips that will elevate your crafting game. By hitting that like button, you not only show your support, but also help others discover the joy of transforming discarded materials into beautiful pieces of art. Don't forget to share this video with friends and fellow craft enthusiasts who might be looking for sustainable and innovative project ideas. We encourage you to stay with us until the end of the video, where we'll unveil some exciting bonus content and additional resources that can help you dive even deeper into the art of crafting. Your engagement means the world to us, and together, we can foster a community that values creativity, sustainability, and the joy of making something beautiful from the ordinary. Transforming scrap wood into beautiful and profitable crafts is an exhilarating journey that marries creativity with sustainability and entrepreneurship. In a world increasingly focused on eco-friendliness, utilizing leftover wood not only addresses waste reduction, but also allows artisans to express their unique styles and ideas. Each piece of scrap wood holds untapped potential, waiting to be reimagined into something extraordinary. Rather than discarding these materials, consider them as vibrant canvases that can be shaped into functional art. The process of transforming discarded wood into stunning pieces not only highlights the beauty inherent in natural materials, but also promotes a sustainable lifestyle, encouraging others to think about how they can repurpose items in their own lives. The creative journey begins with envisioning the potential hidden within each piece of scrap wood. Instead of viewing it merely as a byproduct of construction or woodworking, consider the character and texture that each piece can offer. The knots, grains, and varying shades of wood can serve as a canvas for your artistic expression. This mindset invites you to experiment, to let your imagination run free as you think of innovative ways to repurpose the wood into something not only appealing, but also functional. The challenge lies in seeing beyond the obvious and recognizing the unique narratives each piece can tell. By embracing this perspective, you not only celebrate the material's history, but also contribute to a sustainable future by giving it a new life. Planning your projects carefully is crucial as you embark on this creative adventure. Before diving into the crafting process, take the time to think through the designs you wish to create. Consider the tools and techniques you will need, as well as the time and effort required for each craft. Researching various methods, such as cutting, sanding, and finishing, will equip you with the skills necessary to bring your ideas to fruition. This preparatory stage is not merely about logistics. It is an opportunity to cultivate your skills and refine your craftsmanship. As you explore different techniques, you may discover new approaches that can enhance your projects, enabling you to create more intricate designs that push the boundaries of traditional woodworking. Understanding your target audience is a key factor that can significantly influence your crafting process. As you create, think about who will appreciate your work and what styles resonate with them. Some consumers may favor rustic, handmade aesthetics that evoke a sense of nostalgia, while others might lean towards sleek, modern designs that fit contemporary decor. Tailoring your creations to meet the taste of your audience will not only enhance their marketability, but also increase your chances of successfully selling your crafts. By aligning your designs with consumer preferences, you can foster a sense of connection with your audience, making them more likely to invest in your work. Effective marketing is an essential component of turning your craft into a profitable venture. Utilize social media platforms, local craft fairs, and online marketplaces to showcase your stunning creations. High-quality photographs that highlight the intricate details and craftsmanship of your work can captivate potential buyers. Engaging storytelling about your process, the materials used, and the journey of each piece can foster a deeper connection with your audience, making them more likely to purchase your items. In today's digital age, establishing a strong online presence can significantly amplify your reach, allowing you to connect with a broader audience who appreciates the artistry and sustainability of your crafts. Networking with other artisans and participating in community events can also provide valuable opportunities for growth. Sharing ideas and experiences with fellow crafters can inspire new projects and collaborations that can enhance your skill set and broaden your creative horizons. Building relationships within the crafting community fosters a sense of camaraderie and can lead to opportunities for joint ventures or mentorship. This collaborative spirit not only enriches your own work, but also contributes to a vibrant crafting community that values creativity and sustainability. Engaging with others in the field can provide support and motivation, encouraging you to push your boundaries and explore new avenues in your crafting journey. In conclusion, the process of creating crafts from scrap wood is a multifaceted journey that intertwines artistry, sustainability, and entrepreneurship. Each piece you create tells a story, reflecting your dedication to transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. By embracing the potential of scrap wood and infusing your creations with passion and creativity, you not only reduce waste, but also inspire others to appreciate the beauty of sustainable craftsmanship. Your work has the power to resonate with a growing audience of eco-conscious consumers, contributing to a movement that values creativity, sustainability, and the art of repurposing. If you're enjoying our exploration of crafting with scrap wood, we invite you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our latest projects and tips that can ignite your creativity. By liking this video, you help us reach a wider audience and inspire others to embrace the art of repurposing materials, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Don't forget to share this with your friends, family, and fellow DIY enthusiasts who might be looking for innovative ideas to transform their own spaces sustainably. We encourage you to stick around until the end of the video, as we have some exciting bonus content lined up that will enhance your crafting journey and provide you with invaluable insights and techniques. Your support not only fuels our passion for crafting, but also helps build a vibrant community dedicated to creativity and sustainability. So let's embark on this journey together.